Reaction calculator. Application overview. Heat reaction calculator is an Excel-based application coded in VBA, which enables us to quickly calculate the enthalpy change for a given reaction. The app stores predefined enthalpies in a datasheet as illustrated here, with various species associated with their various enthalpies of formation. Yes, and works on the principle of Hess's law. That is, the total enthalpy change is equal to the total enthalpy of the product minus the total enthalpy of the reactant. This app also includes automatic balancing, which is the most complex part of the app. It includes dynamic equation display, reaction reversal, and input validation. So let's open the app and see what it is capable of doing. Upon opening the app, this is the interface you should see. Reactants, products, auto balance, reverse, the equation label, the status of the equation, and the results label. Now, you select your reactants from this combo box, and upon hovering over each uh, entry field, uh, there will be a control tip text which will tell you what to do. So let's test for the uh, formation of ammonia gas. So ammonia gas is formed when N2 goes into H2 to give us NH3. Now so you see that the equation label updates in real time. Now let's test for the auto balance. So by clicking the auto balance, you click the check balance and it will auto balance it for you. Then you just click on calculate. It will give you enthalpy of your enthalpy change. And that is how the app basically works. Yeah, if you want to use the auto balance. Note that it is not always that the auto balance is going to work because sometimes it runs into errors. It is not full error proof. Okay, so how does it work? So the auto balance works using Cramer's rule. It sets up an equation of unknowns and calculates for the unknowns. So each of the fields here is assumed to be unknown. It renders it in a matrix, find the determinants, and uses the Cramer's rule to evaluate the possible values for the coefficients of the species. Yes, and when you check this reverse button, it reverses your equation and also reverses the sign of your enthalpy change. And you can see on this status bar that the reaction has been auto balanced. So let's test for another reaction. Let's say the reset, which will flash out all the fields. So reset. And let's test for uh, the formation of water. So H2 plus O2 will give you H2O. So let's put in our stoichiometric coefficients. So here will actually be 2, here will be half, 0.5, and here will be 1. Here will be 0 because there is no compound here. Check if balanced. It's telling us not balanced. Okay, it is not seeing this decimal point as something. So let's change it. Let's multiply this by 2 to give us 4, 2, and this will be 1. Let's check whether it's balanced. Okay, 2, 1, 2. So sorry about that. That's one of the reasons why the auto balance feature was introduced into the app because sometimes it's so tedious to actually balance your equation. So check better balance and calculate, and it gives us the enthalpy. let's check for a combustion reaction. So let's see CH4 into O2 to give us water and carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. So CH4 O2. So CH4 will be 1, O2 will be 2, H2 will be 2, 4 hydrogens, and carbon dioxide will be 1. So let's check whether it's balanced. Let's check this. So the reaction is balanced, then you can calculate for it and it will give you the output. Alternatively, to let me just erase these fields and apply my auto balance function. Auto balance, and you check balance. It's auto balance it for you, then just calculate. Thank you.